Total Control Systems manufactures flow meters mainly for the petroleum industry. So we make meters for transport trucks, refuelers, aircraft refueling. On about 2000, we decided to get into the meter business. So we started manufacturing a meter for the petroleum industry. And then around 2005, we expanded the line to make our product available to more customers in more industries. And at that time, that's when painting became a big issue.
In the coating area, in the past we've had some problems, especially out in the field. Biodiesel was one of our worst ones. It would kind of peel the paint if it would saturate the products. We paint stainless steel, iron, and aluminum products here. And we use Accessa's wash coat primer first, and then we're using their steel blue, which is our signature color, our Murray blue, what we call it. And we're putting that on about 4 mils. That's a 2-part urethane paint that is very durable. In our field, that's what we need because we have a lot of meters out in the elements as well as in the back of trucks. So we need the durability of the paint. So
we were looking for a good paint, and we experimented with a number of paint lines, automotive paint and everything. Basically, the #1 criteria was, could it stand up to biodiesel? Secondarily, could it stand up to ethanol? And so after trying a number of different paints, we tried the Accessa coat paint, and it held up really well to biodiesel.
One of the unique challenges with TCS, aside from coatings, was the actual application process, and we worked hand in hand very closely with the equipment representatives to make sure not only were we supplying them the correct material, but the correct way to apply that material.
When a customer receives one of our parts, we want the paint to be a solid coating for them, it to stay adhered, and for when they take the part out of the box, we want them to know they bought a quality part. One is Envirothane. It's low VOC. You can spray an electrostatic application or a HVLP. The other one is the phosphoric acid wash primer. It's just sprayed HVLP, and nice thing about it is it dries very quickly.
It's great to see pictures of other facilities. We've seen it in magazines because we get in a lot of magazines not knowing it, that they're taking pictures of somebody's facility and something that they're doing, and then we see our blue in there, so we know we've had a big part of their success in their company.
At Accessa, and personally, I look at our responsibility to our customers is to provide a consistent and high quality coating, but more importantly, to provide support when needed. And for me, one of the most gratifying pieces of feedback is when I get from our customers really positive praise, or even in some cases vendor scorecards that reflect that ongoing support that we offer.